Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a calendar in Excel using the simplest method available in 2026, leveraging official templates and the modern date picker. Let's get into it. First, add an interactive date picker. If you already have a data sheet and want to avoid manually typing dates, you need to install the Mini Calendar and Date Picker add-in. This acts as a floating pop-up tool that interacts with your cells. Go to the Insert tab on the top ribbon and click on Get Add-ins. This opens the Office Add-ins store. Type in Mini Calendar in the search box. It's the gold standard for 2026. Click Add and agree to the terms. A small interactive calendar window will now appear floating over your spreadsheet. You can click and drag the border to move it anywhere on your screen. Simply click on any cell in your spreadsheet where you want a date to go, then click a date on the mini calendar, and it will instantly populate that cell with the correctly formatted date. You can click the gear icon on the mini calendar to change the color theme or toggle week numbers on and off, making it perfect for tracking project timelines. Next, customize. To make your calendar truly useful, you need to format it so your deadlines or events stand out automatically. Highlight the date cells and go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, a date occurring. You can set Excel to automatically highlight today, tomorrow, or next week in a specific color. In the 2026 version of Excel, you can use the checkmark feature found under the Insert tab inside your calendar cells. This allows you to visually check off tasks directly on your calendar as you complete them throughout the month. And that's pretty much it. To insert a calendar in 2026, install the Mini Calendar through the Add-in feature. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.